My intelliChlor ic40 has the red light coming on for cold water off. However, my water temperature is reading around 76 degrees and my water thermometer is also showing 76 degrees. I've hit the system reset button on my easyTouch panel and that seemed to reset and the unit showed green, but the next time the system ran, it switched back to cold water off. Any ideas what to check?
Unless you have a like an autofill that's connected right next to it that's adding cold water, chances are you have a bad flow switch. So right where it says flow with the arrow, you can actually pop that cap off and then the flow switch is threaded in there, and you can unscrew it and check to see if the plastic of it is cracked, because that should send the temperature reading back to the system. So if that's cracked, then the resistance of it is off and it's going to give faulty numbers. The cell itself could have issues, but I'd usually start with the flow switch and see if that's an issue and needs to be replaced.